It is very much important for UG and postgraduate students to know about the mechanism of apoptosis in details. So let us see that. If you see the mechanism, so basically there are two pathways for the apoptosis. One is intrinsic pathway and second is the extrinsic pathway. For intrinsic, again there are two phases. One is initiation phase, that is initial phase, and execution phase. Again, for the same extrinsic, we have the two phases. One is initiation phase and second is the execution phase. Now let's see the extrinsic pathway of apoptosis. In that, first we'll learn the initial phase, which I told you that this extrinsic pathway, it has two phases, right? One is initiation phase and second is the execution phase. So let us talk about the initiation phase. So you need to remember, here in this image you can see this is the nucleus of the cell and this is the cell membrane. So can you make out these red things? So those are your fast receptor, or you can call it as CD95 receptor, and these are also known as the death receptor. Now, whenever this receptor will get bind with Fas ligand, here you can see the yellow colored thing, Fas ligand, whenever the apoptotic induced signal will be there, so this Fas ligand will go and bind with this Fas receptor. Same way, you can see here there are TNF receptors are there on the cell membrane. So this TNF ligands will go and bind with this TNF receptor, and finally they will make two death domain. If the TNF receptor pathway is working, so they will make a TRADD, TREAD death domain, and if the Fas receptor pathway is working, so they will make the FED, that is the Fas ligand associated death domain. So now these both TREAD and FED, they will directly go and approach the procaspase 8. So this procaspase 8 will convert into the activated form, that is the caspase 8. So the hero of the initiation phase of extrinsic pathway is caspase 8, that we should remember.